This is how I make $10,000 a month passively mining Bitcoin. You know what the biggest lie in investing is? Passive income. I know because I fell for it. I built what everybody thinks is the perfect passive setup. Multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio with property managers, systems for everything, and what everybody likes to call mailbox money. But do you want to see what real passive income looks like? This that you see on screen is my mining dashboard plugging along at 3 a.m. while I'm sleeping, and it's generating over $10,000 every month with no tenants, no maintenance calls, and no surprises. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this for yourself. First, let me be clear, I'm not some crypto influencer. I'm an engineer from SMU who specializes in systems optimization. I analyze infrastructure and efficiency for a living. That engineering mindset is what helped me see something that others missed about Bitcoin mining. That is that it's pure digital infrastructure, converting energy directly to value, and runs on mathematical certainty with no human drama. But I had to learn this the hard way. My first mining attempt in 2015, I lost everything when a Swedish company disappeared with customer funds. Thankfully, it was a very small amount of money. But in 2021, I went bigger. I put $500,000 into mining equipment with the wrong partner and nearly lost it all. But again, as an engineer, I did what engineers do, and I documented every failure point and built something better. Before I show you exactly how to do this yourself, let me explain why this actually works. Because as an engineer, I need you to understand the fundamental that makes this possible. Bitcoin mining isn't just running computers. It's providing critical infrastructure for the world's most secure financial network. And this is how it actually works. Bitcoin processes millions of dollars in transactions every few minutes, and every transaction needs verification. The network has to be secured, and our computing power provides that security. So in the mining process, miners verify transactions, they package them into blocks, and they're solving these puzzles, essentially, and getting rewarded in Bitcoin. What we're doing is converting electricity into digital value, and it's completely programmatic, and there's no human intervention needed. It's a purely mathematically certain type of return. You can think of it like a hydroelectric dam. You build the infrastructure once, and then it converts natural energy into value automatically 24/7. So let me show you exactly what it takes to make a reliable $10,000 every month mining Bitcoin. This is the conservative strategy. You start with 67 S21 Pro miners, which right now is about $670,000 total investment or $10,000 per unit. And that includes the first year of power. That also includes maintenance and a built-in margin of safety. So let's break down the numbers for that investment amount. Each one of your S21 Pros, $7,000 for the machine and $3,000 for your prepaid first year of power, is going to produce you about 0.06 Bitcoin annually. Right now, at $75,000 Bitcoin, that's about $4,500 per year. If Bitcoin price is higher, it's more. With 67 units, here's your conservative math. Your monthly revenue is $25,125 with power costs after year one of $15,075, which means that every month you're netting $10,500. And after your first year, if you want to resell your equipment, you should still be able to get about $500,000 for it. Now, in the first year, you get a tax write-off for the depreciation on the machines at 60% bonus depreciation for 2024, which is $281,400. Plus, the write-off for prepaid electrical expenses is $201,000, giving you $482,400 in potential year one write-offs with $670,000 of spend, and earning you $25,000 a month net during your first year. Now, if you're not ready for 67 units, this is how I would start. At the entry level, you can get a single unit for $10,000. Again, with the first year of energy prepaid, you can learn the process and scale as you get comfortable. Then on the growth track, you can get 5 units for $50,000, 10 units for $100,000, and build to whatever your target might be. If you want to go bigger, we have clients currently that are making over $200,000 monthly with multi-million-dollar deployments. Our Oregon facility delivers everything that I wished existed when I started. We have fixed rate hydroelectric power at competitive rates, perfect climate for cooling the machines, 24/7 professional management, and a 95% uptime guarantee, with actual results being in the 98% range. Not only that, but Oregon is a sales tax-free state. You don't have to pay additional taxes on this equipment. Now, most people might ask, why not just buy Bitcoin? And the reason is mining outperformed buying by almost 2x last cycle. Not only that, but you get 60% bonus depreciation in year one with all operating expenses being tax deductible while generating daily income. That means that not only do you get to make passive income, you get to do so with tax advantages. And what about market volatility? Well, the conservative approach with prepaying your electrical expenses provides a huge buffer, and the fixed power costs afterward mean that you have predictable expenses. And when other people are shutting down, you actually benefit and mine more Bitcoin. Not only that, but your equipment retains about 75% of its value after year one and is a cash flowing asset. This isn't for everyone, and we're selective about who we work with to make sure that it's the right fit. But if you're serious about true passive income, I would start with what you're comfortable with, scale at your own pace, build and own real digital infrastructure, and start generating daily Bitcoin income so that you can get a taste for the process and see if you want to grow into it. You can also follow us at Abundant Minds on Instagram or X and message us passive so that you can set up a call, or visit abundantminds.com to schedule a consultation with my team. I'd love to build something meaningful together with you.